Hey guys, Guy Level here, and today we're going to be talking about Twitch's new feature, community gifting. So this feature actually was set in place a couple days ago, so it's been active since then, but Twitch just finally made an official announcement and updated the help section. So if you're completely new to Twitch, you might not know what sub gifting is. It's basically the ability to gift a sub to a channel to anyone you would like. Now with this new feature, it not only allows you to gift subs, but it also allows you to gift a bunch of them at once to random viewers of this channel. So basically, before you were able to gift a sub to a specific person, now you can go in a stream and select like 50 subs to give away to 50 random viewers and just pay all of it at once. The amazing thing is that you can also gift multiple tiers. That means like if you want to give away, I don't know, 200 subs and they will all be $24.99 subs, you can do that. So as you can see, you have predetermined numbers like gift 1 sub, 5 sub, 10 subs, 20 subs, 50 subs, 100 subs, and then you have custom amount. To answer a couple of questions that you're probably having right now, the maximum of subs that you can gift at once is 100, but that doesn't stop you from giving a lot of hundreds back to back. You just will have to click and go through the paying process over and over again. Another question you're probably having is how does the algorithm, is there an algorithm that actually selects who to gift the subs to? Well, apparently there's an algorithm. They made a statement in the Q&A section of gifting subs, and it says, we're gonna read it together. We use an algorithm to help us select gift recipients, starting with eligible viewers in chat, then followers, mods, and other factors that identify members of a community. Our algorithm also avoids giving troll subs, and we are constantly improving our algorithm to detect this behavior. So let's say, for example, you have someone who just came in and only spammed like one message. Most likely they're not gonna receive a sub when there's like a huge random gift sub happening. And they also answered the question, can I choose all of my gift recipients when gifting to the community? And the answer for now is no. They do say that they're looking into it, so maybe in the future we might have that option, but they were very vague, so don't count on it. But that's the new feature. I will definitely leave a link in the comment section that will have more information. Please check it out. I've seen so many streamers get like thousands of subs during one stream thanks to that feature. So I'm pretty sure their analytics went way up the day that this thing was available. So yeah, more money for Twitch, more money for us streamers, so it's cool. I like it. But if you want to shoot me a message, you can do that at level_photo on Twitter, or you can follow my Twitch channel, that's twitch.tv/getlevel. If you're looking for overlays to make your stream look good, talking animated overlays, you gotta go to gumroad.com/getlevel. It's the best way to support this channel. As always, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys later. Get Level out.